The debate over the rightful king of dancehall just escalated to new heights. On January 17, 2025, the legendary Yellowman, widely regarded as the original king of dancehall, made bold statements in an exclusive interview with the Jamaica Star. The same day, Vybz Kartel released his new track, I'm Out, doubling down on his claim to the coveted title. Kartel, who has long declared himself the king of dancehall, used his latest release to assert his dominance in the genre, showcasing his lyrical prowess and global influence. The track, which has already gained massive attention, is filled with clever wordplay and unmistakable confidence, further cementing his position in the hearts of fans worldwide. Kartel's ability to remain relevant in a rapidly evolving industry is unmatched, and his claim to the throne is not without merit. However, Yellowman, a pioneer of dancehall music and a trailblazer who helped bring the genre to international prominence in the 1980s, is not ready to relinquish his crown. In his interview, the veteran DJ stated, "I don't know the reason why they are making me more powerful and important by fighting over something that I already have. It all comes down to ungratefulness. Who is the king of pop? Michael Jackson. Who is the king of rock and roll? Elvis Presley. Who is the king of reggae? Bob Marley. All of them are not here and they still have their titles. I don't know why these people keep on fighting over the king of the dancehall title. I already have it and I am still here. You know that is only in dancehall that you find this kind of eruption and madness." I have to laugh. You cannot put a crown on the head of a clown and call him a king. The dancehall pioneer was responding to Beenie Man's statements about who is the king of dancehall ever since the release of Vybz Kartel from prison and his return to the stage on his history-making Freedom Street concert, and the street seeming to hail him as the new king has made Beenie Man fiercely stake his claim to the crown. His most recent stunt was posting a decades-old video of Kartel saying,
"Beenie Man, you're king of the dancehall when you come out of your mother belly. Remember that. Respect your honor. You know you are used to breast specialist. I'm a first number one."
But that quickly backfired when social media influencers and artists shared a video of Beenie Man saying this. From 2004, Beenie Man has been on a journey to secure kingship of the genre with the release of a song titled King of the Dancehall. And in 2016, Kartel, with a similar goal, released his album of the same name while he was still in prison. However, both were following in Yellowman's footsteps with that title because 36 years ago, in 1989, Yellowman released the first King of the Dancehall album to critical acclaim. Prior to that, in 1985, Yellowman had released an album titled King Yellowman, which was nominated for a Grammy Award. That made Yellowman the first dancehall artist to be nominated in the Best Reggae Album category of the Grammys. Yellowman's second Grammy nomination came in 1998 for the album Freedom of Speech. I Am Who I Am, the original. From early dancehall days, people are calling me King Yellowman. They cannot be like me. I am the one who put dancehall at a level that them can live off. Them talking about Gaza in Portmore. I perform in Israel, the Middle East, Egypt. Them only go New York. I don't even know if them can go London. Some of them trying to bleach out themselves to be a different color, trying to be me. Them a reptile. One is a lizard and the other is a snake. But if ya is a old dog, hold that title. If ya is a teacher, hold that title. If ya is a doctor, hold that title. Try as hard as you can never wipe out history. That's why we have the library and encyclopedia and the Guinness Book of Records, the champion singer said. Yellowman holds a place in the Guinness Book of Records for releasing an average of 5 albums annually in the 1980s, while working with producer Henry Jonjo Laws. While the debate over the King of Dancehall title may never be settled, it speaks to the enduring power and relevance of the genre. Each artist has brought something unique to the table, helping dancehall evolve into a global phenomenon. In the end, the real winner is the music itself. As fans argue over who deserves the crown, they are keeping dancehall alive and thriving, ensuring that the genre remains a dynamic force for generations to come. So, let me know in the comments who you think is the rightful king of dancehall. Remember to like the video, hit the notification bell, and also the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.